Welcome to Vanyas recipes. Today I'm going to make a very popular Mumbai street food dish. It's called Egg Bhurji. It's a spicy scrambled egg. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification. First I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Cumin seeds ½ teaspoon. Chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, it turns to nice golden brown. At this stage, I'm going to add finely chopped onions. Salt as per taste. Turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Garam Masala ½ teaspoon. Now all the spices are sauteed very well. At this stage, we are going to add chopped tomatoes. Now it's time to crack the eggs. I'm using 4 eggs for this recipe. Let's keep stirring for around 5 minutes. Egg bhurji is ready now. I'm going to add chopped spring onions and coriander leaves. Here is the shoutout for this week. Thank you so much for your support and encouragement. I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, please don't forget to give thumbs up and share with your friends and families. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week with another recipe. Take care. Bye for now.